I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape.
Arrived at Dortmund. Today night I'll sleep here. This was entry and exit of Dortmund Hauptbahnhof. It's night and I'm going to my hotel. I need to sleep and definitely I'll show you this city in the morning. Tomorrow morning. Okay. Good morning from Dortmund. Just I check out my hotel and walking in the Dortmund. Now I'm going towards German football museum, which is near to railway station. In front of the railway station, just from here, 400 meters. So let's see German football museum. And from here only 100 meters, that German football museum. This way the railway station. Just walk 100 meters. This will be Deutschland.
They all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy. Maybe if it stays, we can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so free.
Just I came to view tower. And these are in front of the small garden. These are view tower buildings. It is like art gallery, and there will be inside the cinema, in the restaurant, everything. And every day there will be some different event or program happen in this new building. And just these are the two towers is located. And after that I will go to old city center. Okay. Subway train for going old city. And subway train station. Class. Just I'm in the old city and still they're running little. These are the old market or old city called. This is Rheinwald Church. Just 100 meters away from old city. Just inside the old city. It is walking distance from main station. 500 or 400 meters.
We are feeling so unstoppable, dangerous. Our comfort zone, protecting people with a tone, with a tone. We just want to save this world, so prepare yourselves for us.
It is just 50 meters away from Rheinwald itself. There is the water fountain. And this is the 𝗚𝗏𝗿𝗺 backside, that green garden called 𝗚𝗏𝗿𝗺. And there is these are the church on the right side, the tree, and these are the children's park, these are the fountain, This is the old street, old market or old city. Shopping area. Big train station that is called Rheinhold-Kirche station. This is Rheinhold-Kirche station. Just entering for here, going towards park and two side. Still in Germany, mosque when public transport compulsory, like bus, train, subway, everywhere. Only public transport. Holland Park. West Holland Park. This is the gate. These are the park side. This tower is the middle of the park that is called Florian Tower. I don't know what are the purpose of this tower. This is like facilities like air traffic control. KF running, and now I go to subway train, and I think I should go city side because I am not going to zoo. And this weather, all animals are their home, so no use of going to go inside. In this park side there is Kinder Museum, means museum for children. These are the map for this park. Because how long this park. This is Dortmund Hafen. Hafen means harbor, port. And this is that port area. You can see there is the station, Hafen, subway station. I was there, and just I am roaming here in this area.